Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's exciting Titan video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Lahamu, which is Tiamat's offspring. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Lahamu, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up. Next we're going to make a line that's just going to curve up like this. We'll put a couple little lines underneath there for a little bit of detail. Then I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy line above it for the eyebrow ridge. Next I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to put another kind of bumpy line over here for the eyebrow ridge. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and then down like this for the front of the nose. Then I'll color in two little black dots with a little curve around each one for the nose. Next I'm going to kind of curve a line right around here and bring it back. So kind of like just a little bit of like an antenna or something kind of coming out of around the face. Next, we'll just kind of leave this alone, and I'm just going to curve a line up here. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and then up here for the mouth. And I'll put a couple teeth here, and then we'll put some teeth on both sides. Put a curve here. A line that's going to come down and up. Next, I'm going to curve this line around, and we're going to bring it back here. Then I'm going to curve a line up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then we're going to put another big curve here, just for some more detail on Lahamu. And then I'll put these little curves on here as well. Next for the jaw, I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm going to put some little kind of like spiky shapes right around here. Now he's going to have some horns on here, so I'm just going to make some kind of like wavy, pointy lines that get smaller as they go higher up. And then we'll put another one up here. Then just kind of like what we did with those little fins, we're just going to put some curved lines across. Now we're going to put another big fin on here, similar to what Tiamat has. So we're just going to bring a line that's going to come out here, and we're going to make that nice and thin as we bring it back. Then we're going to make some kind of wavy lines up here. And then we're going to put some kind of broken curved lines on there to give it almost like a wing look. Now, let's start on kind of the neck and body. So I'm going to begin by making these little curved lines right here, just to kind of make the wrinkly neck look of Lahamu. And I'm going to continue these down to about here. Next, I'm going to start on the arm. So we're going to start out here, and we're going to go down, and we're going to bring this out like this at an angle. Then we're going to make some sharp claws on here, kind of making them different lengths, and then we're going to curve this up. Put a couple more curves, and then we're going to bring this line back and then up to here. Next, let's do another one. We're going to bring this one kind of out, and we're going to put a couple claws on here. And then we're just going to bring this back. I'm going to add some little curves across, and I'm going to put those extra lines above it just to make it look kind of wrinkly. Next, I'm going to kind of continue with like this bumpy line that's going to come up to about here. And the reason we're making it bumpy is so we can add some texture on there. Next, starting here, we're going to make the back. So let's just connect that line. And then we're going to bring this line down to about here. Then we're going to make another one of those kind of like wing shapes on here. So we're just going to make a long wavy line. And we're going to make it come back nice and skinny. Same thing, make it kind of wavy like this. Then I'm just going to continue this line up and down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line around and then connect it to here for the end of the tail. Now I want to make some of the fins on the back of Lahamu. So I'm going to start here and just kind of make this wavy line that goes up and down, and then we'll connect it to here. We'll make some more wavy lines here. And then we'll put a few more on here as well. We're going to bring this line up and down. And we're going to make this one kind of wavy too as it comes down. We'll put a couple little curved lines here for some detail. Next, we're going to add some kind of like flippers on here. So I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve around and come back. And then we're just going to connect that here. Then we're going to make some kind of wavy lines on the end of the tail. Next, let's draw a line that's just going to come down. And we're just going to kind of separate the back of Lahamu with the belly. And then we're just going to kind of curve these lines up. So I'm just going to kind of curve these lines right around. And then I'm just going to kind of make these lines kind of come up. And then we're just going to kind of bring some broken lines right around here. And then we'll put some more lines on these little shapes here. These kind of like flipper wing looking shapes. And then we can just kind of put some small little lines kind of coming up and down here. Just for some detail. Then we're going to put some broken lines right around the face too, just for a little bit of detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Lahamu from Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.